Hey everyone, I just wanted to send out a small video to wish you a very happy holiday season and a very prosperous new year to come. This year, I'm excited to do something a little different in the spirit of giving, and in lieu of holiday and gift cards, I'm choosing to give what I think will be a very special gift to those in the world less fortunate than ourselves, and hopefully will have a massive impact in the future of their lives. As you may or may not be aware, SpaceX has enabled the public to be able to donate a Starlink high-speed internet dish and a year's worth of service to an area of the world that is in desperate need of high-speed internet access. And for this year, I've chosen to direct a donation on behalf of all of my clients towards education, and I'm extremely excited to see how this powerful gift will turn out to be in the years to come. So on behalf of all of us here at IA Private Wealth, I wish you the very best this holiday season, and I'm so thankful for the wonderful relationship I've built with you. Happy holidays, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.